Version 2.0 of CityTech Permits is here, and if we haven't already rolled it out to you, it's coming very soon. This is Mark Abbott with CityTech, and I'm here to talk about this major update that we are genuinely excited to have you start using. With this release, we've delivered a full redesign of our user interface, significant enhancements to our Bluebeam integration, and important improvements to the mobile inspection module for inspectors in the field. So let's walk through each one of them. First, let's talk about the new user interface. Our previous TAN design served us well for a long time, and honestly, it still gets compliments for how easy it is to navigate and access permit data. But over time, we simply ran out of room to grow. Adding new features within that design became a real challenge. So we made the decision to invent a fresh, modern look that gives us the space to keep building. The new interface is clean, it's bright, refreshed, but it maintains the same ease of use that everyone is accustomed to. All of the permit data you rely on is still there. Key information like permit number, address, dates, permit details has been made more prominent and easier to spot at a glance. Permit contacts, construction data, and custom data remain forefront and center. And the tabs along the bottom, the notes, inspections, plan checks, approvals, fees, notices, and documents are all right where you'd expect them to be. One thing worth noting, the action buttons that previously lived in the left and right sidebars have been reorganized. You'll find them in the upper left and upper right portions of the new screen. It may take a little getting used to at first, but once you've spent a few minutes with the new layout, we think you'll find everything right where it needs to be. Next, we're excited to share a major enhancement to our Bluebeam Revu integration, the addition of Bluebeam Sessions. Previously, CityTech Permits only supported Bluebeam projects. Now, with Bluebeam Sessions available, plan reviews can be performed collaboratively with all plan checkers working on the same set of plans at the same time. No more waiting for someone to check in or check out plans in the files before you can get started. Everyone can mark up plans simultaneously. For agencies with a busy plan check team, this will be a significant time saver. That said, we're not removing Bluebeam projects. They remain available and serve an important purpose. If a plan checker needs to reference historical PDFs from a previous submittal, those submittals are still available in the projects area. Plan checkers can easily flip between sessions and projects depending on what they need, giving you the best of both worlds. For permit text, this change has no impact on how you invite plan checkers in CityTech. That process is exactly the same. For plan checkers, your workflow tasks in CityTech are also unchanged. You still launch a plan check from the notification email or directly from the system, and you'll continue to enter your plan check results the same way. The differences you'll notice are within Bluebeam itself. Specifically, you will no longer need to check in, check out files. When you open your plan check assignment in Bluebeam Sessions, the PDF plans will be loaded and ready for you to begin markup right away. You'll also notice that Session screens looks a little bit different from the project screen. The left panel won't display a list of your assignments, but rather the files loaded into that session. A couple quick additional notes here. Plan checkers can switch between sessions areas and the projects area using buttons on the screen. And if you're in the projects area and want to check a project, if a project has an active session associated with it, simply right-click on the project folder. You'll see an option to look for related sessions. Okay, finally, let's talk about what's new for our inspectors. We believe our mobile inspection module is one of the strongest in the industry, but we've heard consistent feedback that when cellular connectivity is poor, performance suffers. We took that feedback seriously. So with version 2.0, we've done significant work under the hood to improve how mobile inspections handle low connectivity environments. Inspectors working in areas with a weak signal should notice a meaningful improvement in speed and responsiveness. We're confident this is going to make a real difference in the field for you. As part of this work, the entire mobile inspection module has been moved into a browser-based experience. As a result, we're recommending that inspectors transition away from the FileMaker Go app and perform inspections in the browser going forward. We've done extensive testing on this new approach, and we'd love to hear your feedback once you've had a chance to use it. And that's a look at our three major enhancements that make up CityTech Permits version 2.0: a refreshed and modern user interface, a powerful upgrade to our Bluebeam integration with addition of sessions, and meaningful performance improvements to the mobile inspection module for our inspectors in the field. We've put a lot of work into this release, and we're proud of what the team delivered. But as always, our goal is to make sure this software works as well as possible for the people who use it every day. If you have questions, run into anything unexpected, or just want to share how the new features are working for you, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Your feedback genuinely shapes what we build next. Thank you for being a CityTech customer. We hope you enjoy version 2.0.